Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix WhatsApp not working issue on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings and make sure that you are properly connected on internet, and you have to make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. If there are a connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that open WhatsApp and close app and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then check for the WhatsApp update. For that you have to just simply open App Store, tap on here search and search for WhatsApp, and wait some seconds. And here you have to make sure that there is no update on WhatsApp. If there are any update, then simply update first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply open settings again, scroll down and then tap on general, again scroll down and tap on shutdown, and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to check software update. Make sure that you are using the updated version of your iPhone. If there are any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply uninstall the app and after that reinstall it, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, uninstall your app and after that reinstall it again, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.